You have been seeing these stadium videos blowing up on Instagram and YouTube Shorts. Millions of views, massive engagement. There are actually two completely different ways to do this. One is totally free but comes with restrictions. The other one is paid but gives you zero restrictions. Stay with me till the end because I am also going to share all the prompts I used and you do not want to miss that. Let's start with the paid method first. So before we even touch video generation, we need two things, a starting frame and an ending frame. Head over to OpenArt. On OpenArt, you will find all the major AI image generation models sitting in one place. You do not have to jump between different platforms. Now choose your model. I am going with GPT Image 2 because it is giving the best results right now. Upload your reference image first, then enter your prompt. Set your aspect ratio and resolution based on where you are posting. Don't forget to switch image quality to high. Choose how many images you want to generate. Then hit generate. In a few minutes, your first frame is ready. Now here comes the part that actually makes or breaks the whole video, creating the last frame. Because the AI is going to interpolate between these two images to create the movement. If the frames are not right, the motion looks broken. Attach your first generated image to the prompt area. Now enter a last frame prompt. Then hit generate. And just like that, both your frames are ready. Starting point and ending point locked in. Now we are moving into actual video generation. Tap on your first generated frame and look for the frame to video option. Drag and drop your last frame into the second frame slot. Both frames are added. Now it is time for the video prompt. I used ChatGPT to write all my prompts, and that makes a huge difference in the quality of output. Enter your video prompt, then choose your model. I'm going with Kling 3.0 right now. It is producing the content without any restriction. Select your resolution and video duration. Then hit generate. Your video will start processing, and in a few minutes, the output will be ready. Look at that. No restrictions. Full creative control. The paid method is now done. Now let me show you the free method. For the free method, you can use Google Flow. I'm going to be using all the Google Flow tools inside VVAI. Every model I show you here is available on Google Flow as well. Like we can use Nano Banana 2 for image generation. But remember, Google's models are restricted when it comes to recognizable faces. So when you are writing your prompt, keep only your own face description. Remove any reference to public figures. Your first frame will generate without issues. If you're not happy with the result, just rerun it. When you are creating your last frame, the same rule applies. Go through your prompt and remove any restricted words or references before you generate. That is how you get both frames ready for free. With both frames ready, head into video generation. I'm using the Veo Lite model here. You can use any video model available on Google. One more thing before you hit generate. Go back through your video prompt and remove any restricted language. Same principle as the image prompts. Clean prompt equals successful generation. And there it is, created completely for free. If you want any of the prompts I used today, drop a comment below and I will share them with you. If you want me to break down any other trending video format or AI tool, let me know in the comments. And if you are new here, make sure you check out the other VVAI tutorials because we are covering a lot of this stuff in depth. See you in the next one.